Hello, my dear friends. In this video, we're going to see vacancies from companies like Lupin, Smilax, and also Alkem and some other companies. So let us see the details. So coming to the Lupin, JNPC Parvada, they are looking for the department production engineering, PDL, quality control, and finance department. So if you're interested, you can attend these interviews. These are the walk-in interviews on Saturday, 27th May. So 9 to 16 hours. Venue is Hotel Green Apple, Gajwaka, Vizag. That is tomorrow. So let us move on to the next section. So these are the walk-in interviews on Saturday, tomorrow. Venue Hotel Shalimar. So they are Gujarat Fluorochemicals Limited. They are looking for engineer or senior engineer, production chemist, assistant supervisor in production department. So venue is Hotel Shalimar. So please look at the details. Take a screenshot of this. So, my dear friends, this is an interview from Smilax Farm Chem Drug Industries, so which is Tehsil Baddi district, Salon, Himachal Pradesh. They are looking for manager, tablets and capsules, manager, liquid. So here you can see assistant manager QA, manager QC, all are high level positions. So if you're interested in shifting to a new company, so please utilize the opportunity. You can contact the following number. The interview can be taken on any working day. My dear friend, this is a walk-in interview. So on 27 and 29th May, 10 a.m. to 17 p.m. Avenger Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, plant number 1111/1, Ja Road, Samya Road. So landmark next to Meena Circuit. So they are looking for QA, QC, R&D, and MFG operators and MFG officers or executive manufacturing, packing, and documentation QMS. So they are looking for Bpharm, BSc, Mpharm, MSc in chemistry, and having experience. So they are looking for experienced candidates, my dear friends. So these are the details regarding the vacancy. Let's move on to the next company. My dear friends, coming to the next vacancy, which is from Alkem. So this company is conducting walk-in on 29th May, 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. The venue is Gardenia Hotel Spa and Resort, plot number 1, Sector 11, Sidikul, Haridwar, Uttarakhand. So for senior officer or officer production, technician or operator production, executive or senior officer, OSD manufacturing, technician or operator, engineering and production. The job location is Buddy. So interested candidates can walk in for the interview at the following venue as I mentioned in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with more job updates like this.